Hello everyone, good morning or good day. In this video, I'm going to share with you an exercise to correct backbone. And I'm gonna use this device, backbone corrector device. And you can buy this online, guys. And if you don't have this, you can use pillow or the big towel, bath towel, and roll it and put on your back. So let's do this. You can make this 5 minutes a day or more if you want. If you feel you are having this bad posture, then when you lay down, do it. When you are sleeping, you can put pillow on your back. I really feel good if I'm using this corrector device. It corrects my backbone. Dahil dati guys, medyo kuba-kuba ako. And you can do like this. Not just for backbone,